I'm looking at the Senate House, the House of Assembly. I'm looking at all senators. They will raise a motion. The motion will be against the people. Then 30% among them will be against that. The 70% will raise against this 30. Then this 30 will raise alarm. And the civilians and the people will support this 30. And a lot of riots will happen. At the end of it, so many people were killed and many people were packed to jail. It's not a good message. God save his people. Nigeria has finished.